Morning all. Okay, let's have one or two 5-minute games. It's quite early in the morning here, and I wonder if there's anyone actually on the server at the moment on ICC. There's 42 title players actually, even at this time in the morning. Actually, Nakamura is on. Let's quickly observe Nakamura. So a 5-minute game. Can't play no bridge is Nakamura. Okay, maybe we'll look at that later. Okay, maybe Sicilian. This guy's pretty high rated. 2383. Play a dragon, I think. Keep it sharp. He's playing a G3 system, okay. Don't know what I'm doing. Bishop G4, Knight C4. Try and create a weakness. Okay, come into that square. Alright, so what about Knight H5, Queen A5? Actually, H5 here is a bit tasty, isn't it? H4. Try and weaken these squares on the king side. Interesting. So knight takes B2, is that interesting? Okay, I can even play E5 here, I think. Because D6 is protected. I'm going to get Queen H4 in. I know D5 is a game in whole. Yeah, I guess he does that. I was going to be Queen D5. I'll do that anyway. And cover D5 for a moment. Okay, so he's got the answer to some stuff. Get rid of this knight. Then maybe try for F5 again. Aha! Right, his pawns are a bit shattered. Maybe Queen D7. Okay, I'll protect this guy for a sec. Mind you, A5. It's got A5. That's not nice. Get rid of that rook. Maybe Queen H8 later. The king moves. Is he going to take? Alright, so can I play Bishop E7? He's pretty quick on the clock, this guy. As quick as me. So I got Bishop D3. Bishop D3, is that any good? That might be good, it stops Knight C4 anyway, for a moment. B5 now. And get out of the way of this so I can play Rook C8 without losing a pawn. Knight E4. I want to be able to move this queen to H8 at some point. Maybe Rook C7, Queen H8. I'm just going to get the back row. Another nasty pin. He's got Queen A8 if he wants it. Yeah, not too pleasant. Right, can I play Bishop F8? Try and hold on. Maybe B4, Rook C1 if he took. That's a bit optimistic, him taking. Go back here for a sec. He's got Bishop H6 now. Bishop H6. That was a point. Maybe it's not that harmful. I can get this file. No, I can't. What about F5? Then Rook A7. F5, F4. Actually, I'll stop the use of knight E4, which is useful. Bishop E7, Rook G8. No. Oh! I'm getting in big trouble here. Where am I? Is he again gonna... I don't know what he's doing to me. Can I play F4 here? Or knight F4? B4, B4. It's a bit desperate, but then there's F4 after. Maybe if Rook C2, that would be a bit of counterplay, I hope. No, it's not. Ouch. Okay, I'll take this H4 anyway. Maybe F4 is useful. Or knight F4 coming up. F4, E4. E4, he plays F4. Okay, if I just for a moment. This is not good, is it? Is E4 any good? I'll try and win H4 if nothing else. So F4, Bishop H4. There's Bishop B6. There's Bishop D4. Oh, isn't that nice, that check? I'm gonna play Bishop takes H4 maybe if he doesn't protect. Or not, what about Knight F6, just trying to win D5 here? If I can win D5, he's going to win with Knight E6 soon. So my king's in trouble. Get this guy out. He's got Bishop F5 coming up. Knight E6. Can't move my rook. The Rook C5? What about Rook C5? Knight C6. Is there anything? Knight G4. So Bishop takes us Knight E3. Maybe Bishop takes. I don't know, Rook C5. I don't know, it's all getting a bit hairy. There's Knight takes maybe. Again, this horrible knight fault everywhere. Is Bishop D5 possible here? There's Rook F7 and the Rook. Oh dear. Is there Bishop E5 and Knight F2 as an idea? At some point? Maybe sniffing that out. Snuff that out. It's too quick as well. I got coordination here. Hang on, why is he repeating? Let's try and win one of these pawns. It's looking a bit grim. Bishop H7, Bishop G8, Bishop G7. So stop being mated. But then Knight E5 is looking. Knight E5. Big trouble. Knight F7. I can't even stop it with that. This guy's. She's Bishop E5. Hang on. That's checkmate. That's weird, isn't it? 2, 3, 8, 3 is just being mated in a weird way. My knights are just stopping F2. Oh, blimey. I didn't expect. I thought, okay, Pat's a Caesar check, Pat's a plays a check. Yeah, it's a bit too early in the morning for this sort of stuff. Yarosavich just got mated. He's been up to on the 5 minute. He's quite dangerous, I think. He's been up to 2641 just in May 2012. This year, 2641 on the auto pairing. This is a killer. His current rating 2-3 and 6-2 after that loss. Blimey. A bit lucky there, yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.